Behind me are the newest LG televisions with the latest technology. Each one of these has its own features. Each one of these you're going to love. So let's do the unboxing and I'll show you the newest and best features of these new LG televisions, which are really great. What I'm going to do today is show you what's in the box. I'm going to set up two televisions here and show you LG OLED Evo AI G5 and LG QNED Evo AI 85 both offer distinct advantages. They have artificial intelligence, they're 4K televisions, they have many features. So let's start with the unboxing. By the way, all these TVs work with Apple AirPlay, also with Google Cast, also with Apple Home, and we have Matter. These are pretty high-tech televisions. Each has its own features, so let's go through them one by one. Are you ready, Nalita? Alright, let's start with the 65-inch organic light-emitting diode model. The truth is that the service is pretty good. It arrives for free at your home if you bought it on the LG website, and the staff makes sure it arrives in good condition. So, we just opened it to make sure everything was fine, that everything was included, and once we checked that everything was in order, they left it. I signed for the delivery and have it now. Let's unbox it. I'll show you how it comes, and something I like, it's better if you see for yourselves. It comes with the warranty, the AI Magic Remote, and the instructions. By the way, it comes with batteries included. This is the AI Magic Remote. Another great thing is that it comes with its own stand, because now you'll see how minimalist it is. In fact, it even looks like a painting. If you put a painting as the wallpaper, it'll look like a painting wherever you put it in your house. I want you to see how thin this television is. It doesn't even look like a screen. It looks like a painting, and since it's organic light-emitting diode, it's going to show blacks that are truly perfect blacks. And on the back, we have USB, we have HDMI ports, and we have more HDMI ports, and even an Ethernet port in case you want to connect directly, as well as optical audio. Since there are several screens and they're also quite large, I'm going to need help, and also to set them up. This is the LG Organic Light Emitting Diode Evo AI G5 65 inches. The QNED Evo AI line is part of LG's 2025 lineup made to enhance image quality. And something I love about this television, besides its organic light emitting diode technology, is the stand it has. Literally, it's like you have a painting. It's super thin, and something I love is that you can make it a bit more discreet, like it's a painting. And that's it. And if you want to have it a little more outward, you just pull it out and you can have it in that position. What do you think if we turn it on? First, I'll show you this organic light-emitting diode television, a technology I love. These organic light-emitting diode screens feature an eye-safe validated circadian performance factor to help reduce sleep disruption. And the remote features AI or artificial intelligence functions. Let's set it up, and meanwhile, I'll show you. Here we have direct access to all the main platforms, the ones we use every day, and even to LG channels where you can watch completely free content. There are many hours of live television movies and series, so there's plenty to watch. We also have these features, including the AI function, which I'll explain now. Another thing the Magic Remote has is that as I move, the remote detects where it's moving. And I just select, and that's how I can set it up. Let's connect from our device because I already have my LG account and it's much easier. Literally, all my TVs are from LG. I love this technology and I test them year after year. There it is, let's enter the code. Wow, look at the image quality. I'm going to put the remote here because of copyright issues. Like I said, through LG channels, you have access to a lot of content for free. This was included with your LG television purchase at the LG store. You have access not only to apps, but also to games, different entertainment apps, and all the main applications we use every day. Netflix, Amazon Prime, UFC, Apple Television, you have all of them, all of them. Remember, you can access it right from the remote. This was the only thing missing from the unboxing. Ready? Now we really have all the magic and all the beauty of an organic light-emitting diode television. Remember, this one here has organic light-emitting diode technology. What this does is literally the black colors actually look black. It's like the screen turns off, and when a color lights up, it lights up inside the screen. That's why it has a pretty clear image. Brightness Booster Ultimate optimizes brightness without losing detail, all powered by the Alpha 11 AI processor Gen 2. LG organic light emitting diode TVs are Intertech certified with a gray to gray response time under 0.1 milliseconds. With qualified gaming performance recognition, this television is perfect for gamers. Movie and series lovers find the experience incredible. This television delivers perfect blacks, with UL verified black levels that boost brightness and contrast even in bright or dark rooms. We have an AI artificial intelligence assistant. By pressing this button, we enter hands-free control. And you can ask it for whatever you want. You can even register the voice ID so it can identify who is making the request and give you content based on the user who is asking. It already knows me and can do whatever you want. Watch, let's press it. It opens YouTube and searches for Nashudo. Now you can do this with all the applications and see how the blacks are really black. With ambient picture quality certification, the product offers top quality. Perfect in the 5 visual quality metrics in well-lit environments. This follows the International Display Measurement Standard 11.5, ring light reflection standard up to 500 lux. You can ask it things like, oh, how's the weather today? It's going to tell us what the weather is like today. We can say, turn off the television in 20 minutes, set a timer for 20 minutes. The thing is, you can talk to it more casually, as if it were a person, an artificial intelligence assistant. Now let's go to the new menu that we have by pressing this button here. And what this does is take you to the ThinkQ Smart Home Center from LG. And this is where I can choose if I want to switch to watching live television, if I want to switch to a video game, any console that I connect, or even if I want to connect my phone. Through AirPlay and through Google Cast, this television includes advanced artificial intelligence features like AI Voice, Identification, AI Picture Wizard, AI Concierge, AI Chatbot, and AI Search. So, with the LG Organic Light Emitting Diode G5, you not only get great colors and perfect blacks thanks to its organic light emitting diode technology, but also artificial intelligence features, a remote control, and a smart assistant. And it's a perfect television for watching all your content, gaming, whatever you want to do. Now let's move on to the next technology, which is another television I have here. Let's go for the second unboxing. Now we're going with the Quantum Nano Emitting Diode Evo AI. This one is 75 inches. So let's see what's inside the box.
The Quantum Nano Emitting Diode line includes the entry-level Quantum Nano Emitting Diode 80 and Quantum Nano Emitting Diode 82, while the Quantum Nano Emitting Diode Evo AI 85 and 86 featuring Mini LED Tech are part of the Quantum Nano Emitting Diode Evo series at 75 inches.
Quantum Nano Emitting Diode. Evo AI and Quantum Nano Emitting Diode 9M are fully wireless and feature separate panels and electronics, making them ultra thin and easy to place anywhere. Quantum Nano Emitting Diode Evo AI and Quantum Nano Emitting Diode 92 offer the best color and contrast, and this is the LG Quantum Nano Emitting Diode Evo AI Quantum Nano Emitting Diode 85. We have the television stand in case you want to put it on a table. Also the remote control and the warranty, which by the way also includes the batteries for the remote control. This model is a bit bigger, QNED 75 inches. I'm also going to wait for help to arrive to hang it up, and I'll show you more. And we also have several HDMI inputs, USB, and even Ethernet. It's also quite thin. And now it's time for the moment of truth. Ready. This is the LG QNED Evo AI, QNED 85 to 75 inches. This one has QNED technology, which I also love. Let me tell you a little more, but first things first. Let's remove the protectors. Look at how good it looks already mounted on the wall. Look at how thin this television is. Check out the super slim design and see how great it looks. This size, which is 75 inches, a pretty big television, also ideal for watching content, enjoying movies, and playing your favorite video games. And here we also have the artificial intelligence assistant and the main artificial intelligence features. Let me show you. This television is just 30 millimeters thick with a super slim design. Look at how it looks on the wall. It looks very minimalist. It looks really good. Here we also have the LG remote control with artificial intelligence. We also have the assistant, and we can basically ask it for whatever we want. Let's activate it. And on this television's remote control, you'll also find access to the main streaming services. It's as easy as just having the app installed, pressing the button, and it'll take you to the streaming service. Here too, through LG channels, you get a lot of free content, movies and series. We also have the AI assistant here. How's the weather today? As you can see, I really like to ask it that question because I love interacting with the AI and it's going to give us the results. If you're unsure what to ask, the assistant appears here. Hold it down for suggestions. This model also includes advanced artificial intelligence features like AI Voice ID, AI Picture Wizard, AI Sound Wizard, AI Concert, AI Chatbot, and AI Search. Now here we also have the main functions where we can easily access all our devices, connect to the LG ThinQ network, and connect our phone through AirPlay or through Google Cast. If you have Android. In short, having all the connectivity on one screen with QNED technology, personally I love it, and a 75-inch screen like this one I have here fascinates me. And this television features QNED Evo technology with artificial intelligence to enhance every scene. Thanks to dynamic QNED color, the colors are more vivid and more natural. It also features advanced local dimming for more precise contrast control in each screen area. And all of this comes in a super slim, ultra-thin design. This model includes mini LED technology. My friends, as you have already seen, there is a television with different technologies for every user. Today we looked at organic light emitting diode technology whose main features are these deep blacks and these bright colors. But we also have this QNED technology whose main feature is mini LED. And the colors it will give you. Both technologies have their own advantages. Both technologies are very good, and whichever you choose, there is an ideal size for you. Today, I showed you two different sizes, my favorite features. But let me know in the comments, what is your favorite feature? And if you're not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. Also, let me know, which of these two TVs would be ideal for you and what would you use it for? I'll put a purchase link in the description so you can get yours. I'm Andres Nasciuto. See you in my next video. Big hugs to all. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Goodbye.